This week, we're going to talk about conversions and why you should be using them. What's up, fish fans? My name is Marcus, and you're watching Marketing Madness, the Bluefish vlog. When we think about digital advertising, we're often talking about getting clicks. We're making ads with a link to our website to get people to click it and visit the site. And that's totally fine. If website traffic is what you're after, then clicks are exactly what you need to focus on. But for most people, web traffic isn't actually the end goal of their digital ads. It's sales, or contracts, or whatever your moneymaker is. Sales provides revenue, which gives you a return on your investment in advertising. Tracking conversions is being able to measure exactly that, your ad spend versus the return on the investment you're seeing from it. A conversion is whatever you want your customer to do, either online or in person. For the purpose of this video though, we're going to focus on digital conversions. Now you might consider a conversion as someone simply filling out a contact form on your website or picking up the phone to call you. We often consider these as lead conversions, one that's not directly a sale, but may lead to one. You might also have a conversion that tracks who makes it to your website's thank you page after making a purchase. This is an easy way to track who's purchased something on your website and is an obvious choice for behavior you should track. But you don't have to pick one or the other. Most ad platforms give you the opportunity to name multiple conversions on your site and optimize based on what your ad is trying to accomplish. Something we do here at Bluefish is observe a sales funnel using the conversions we have set up. We're able to track single users from the first interaction with the ad to the page that they view, to the buttons that they click, and finally to the purchase that they make. Conversions are extremely useful in that way because it gives you a crystal clear insight into what your customers are up to, what works, and what may not be working. It's up to you to set it up and interpret conversions as they work for you. But if you need any help with that process, just give us a call. Well, that's a wrap for this week. I want to thank you for checking in. Make sure to hit that like button, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you want to talk about how Bluefish can help you grow your business, just send us a message and we'll get the conversation started.